Hi, this is METHER -86 refrigerator from METHER China. This is 338 liter model. We have different temperature ranges in this model: -25 freezer, -40 freezer, 2 to 8 degree refrigerator. Inside you will see two different doors with individual shelves, and shelves can be adjusted as they are on railings. So you can have 3 number of shelves at the top chamber, as well as up to 3 shelves in the lower chamber. So we have done supplied this to industry with IQ, OQ and PQ documentation and with data logging, so we can address to all the customer needs in this range. Thank you.